Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to empty trash in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, click at the profile icon at the right top. But maybe first I will show you how to delete them and then how to empty trash. So, to delete your photo or video, you need to select this photo or these photos and then click at the trash at the bottom and delete. After that, we can go to the collections and we have in the trash, you need to click on it, we have all deleted photos. Okay, so to empty this trash, you have few options. If you want to remove all of them, you need to click at the three dots, then select, and at the left bottom, select delete all. So tap at this button. Or you can select few of them and delete few of them by click delete and delete. What the most important, that when you remove photos or videos from the trash, you will delete them permanently, so they cannot be recovered if you delete it from the trash. Also, this trash deletes automatically your photos after 30 or 60 days. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!